Hello, sports fans. I get excited at this part. Plane's all put together. I get to see what it looks like as a finished product. I'm doing a preliminary weight and balance. I use the Zycoy weight and balance meter. I've installed most of the major components right now. I put them pretty much where I think they ought to be. And we're going to see what kind of weight I need to add and where I need to add it. The Zycoy is very useful here. There's a weight sensor goes under each wheel. And the first thing we're going to find out is what the aircraft weighs. And then we level the aircraft. This is important. I use the mounting rail for the turbine, and without any shims under the wheels, the aircraft is dead level. The Zycoy needs 3 measurements to determine the CG. The first is the center of the mains to the target CG. In this case is 53 millimeters. The mains to the nose wheel, center to center, 934 millimeters. And then the mains to the ballast point, 813 millimeters. The ballast point being where you plan to add weight should the aircraft be tail heavy. And then we're going to transfer the data to the Zycoy. For setup, we're going to create the model L-39. The device does save the data. The first distance is the front to the mains. That's the nose wheel to the mains. That's 934 millimeters. The distance from the mains to the CGs is 53 millimeters. And then the distance from the mains to weight placement or ballast. It's a tricycle landing gear. And when we're done entering the data, we just check select and see what we got. And now the payoff. The aircraft weighs 36.65 pounds. The aircraft is tail heavy. The Zycoy has calculated that we need to add 0.91 pounds to the correction point, or the ballast point that we chose earlier. Now, looking forward, if I decide to make modifications to the aircraft, for instance, putting a hard point under the wings for rocket launcher, ordnance, drop tanks, whatever, I don't have to do this again. All I have to do is put the aircraft on the Zycoy and confirm the CG.